Top tourist attractions in Croatia. Plitvice Lakes National Park. A succession of thundering waterfalls connects 16 emerald blue lakes in Plitvice Lakes National Park, making it one of the essential places to visit on your holiday. Rovinj. The Venetian-era seaside town of Rovinj is made up of pastel-colored houses and Instagram-worthy spots that make it an incredibly magical attraction. Sibenik. Known for its rich history dating back to the 11th century, Sibenik has much to offer tourists. It's also one of the best places to visit if you want to get away from the crowds. Korcula. Korcula is the best place to be on a summer evening. From centuries-old aristocratic buildings to stone alleys, this little town is a blast from the past. Zadar. Got a liking for Romanesque churches? Zadar's got exactly what you're looking for. Visit this place and fill up your view with churches built between the 9th and 13th centuries. Dubrovnik. Dubrovnik is Croatia's most glamorous tourist magnet, and with good reason too. Make sure you don't miss out on this UNESCO World Heritage Site. The Diocletian's Palace. The Diocletian's Palace is one of the top places for history lovers. It's ancient Roman palace that's been regarded as a massive hotspot. Hvar town. Don't let the thrill slow down. Visit Hvar and experience the trendy city's beaches and water sports. Zlatni Rat Beach. Get to know why this stunning spot became Croatia's most photographed beach. The beach also has water sports including paddle boats, sea kayaks and banana boat rides. Trogir. Say hello to one of the best places on Croatia's spectacular Dalmatian coast. This attractive seaside town is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and has an incredibly rich history dating back to 380 BC. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Let us know which attraction caught your eye, comment below. And don't forget to subscribe our channel to watch more interesting and latest videos.